Wanting to sign up with iPage web hosting, but want an iPage discount to save you money on your iPage web hosting purchase? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an iPage coupon code that will get you an iPage discount of up to 75% off plus a free domain name. To get your iPage coupon code discount of up to 75% off, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from iPage at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome iPage discount. Now let me walk you through the steps of getting the iPage discount along with the details on the pricing and plans. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the iPage homepage. You'll see you can get iPage web hosting for as low as $1.99 a month. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a free domain name. You'll see over to the right under your cart section the Save 75%. You'll see 3 years being selected. Click this and you can also choose a 2-year term or a 1-year term. You'll get the greatest discount with the 3-year term. You'll get iPage hosting for $1.99 a month. If you go with the 2-year term, you'll get hosting for $2.49 a month. If you choose the 1-year term, you'll get iPage web hosting for $2.99 a month. Choose a term you'd like to go with. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the 12-month term. Now let's choose a free domain name. If you already have a domain name, you can just enter it in the search field to continue with the domain you already have registered somewhere else. Once you type in a domain name that you want for free, you'll be on a page saying if it is available or not. Under the domain section, you'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection being selected. This is an extra add-on that is completely optional. I highly recommend going with the domain privacy, as this will protect your personal information from the public. It can protect you from getting lots of spam and telemarketers reaching out to you via email and phone to sell you their services. By choosing Domain Privacy Plus Protection, instead of your information showing, it'll show iPage's information protecting you. Over to the right under the Your Cart section, you will now see the free domain name showing and the Domain Privacy Plus Protection if you decide to choose this. Click the Continue to Add-ons button. You can now choose any add-ons you'd like to have. These are completely optional. Once done, click the Continue to Billing button over on the right. Enter your billing and payment information. Click the Buy Now button. That is my iPage coupon code tutorial. Enjoy your iPage web hosting discount. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.